Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to show you how to close these Lone Rider Rackless MotoBags, or the Lone Rider MotoBags. When I first received these, it took me a minute to learn how to do it. It was hard. I was getting frustrated with the videos. So I did all the research, and I came back to my garage and I practiced for a little while, and I found out some tricks, if you will, to closing these bags, and now I do it very, very quickly. So stay tuned. I want to show you how I close these bags, and maybe it'll help you. So what you need to do is a couple of things. One, you have this hook here that everything's gonna slide into, then you lock. Also, you have this hook that locks the bag together, and this all goes underneath. The problem I was having, this lock does not go underneath there with the material. It goes to the side. So you have to pull this strap far enough so that when you put all the material in, you're just getting the strap part, not the buckle part, underneath that latch, that hook. So here's how you do it. Again, I'm getting better and better all the time. Straps like this, you fold them once, fold them twice, fold them a third time, and now it's kind of on itself. You push down and kind of squeeze the air out a little bit, right? Pull it back up. Now you take this strap and you pull it all the way over so that and buckle it so that the strap, though, is going to be able to go under the hook and not the buckle. Then you grab the material, take it, and it all together goes under that little latch there, that little hook. And then you hook the button here to the bigger hole and slide it, and there you are. And then you take these straps here, if you're still inclined to lock it up, and you're good to go. Let's do that again. So we'll undo it, undo the straps, undo the buckle, open them up, and get in your stuff. So again, let's close it again. Take these, the top, they're very rigid too up high. It's very hard, firm. One fold tight. Next fold, second fold tight. Third fold, now it's all against itself. Lay it down to squeeze the air out just a little bit. Pull it back up, then take the strap, pull it over to connect. Make sure you have this buckle to the other side of the latch, the hook. Take everything and hook it all in, and there you have it. Again, it may take you a minute to learn how to do that, but once you know how to do it, it's easy to do. So, there you go. A couple of keys is that the buckle does not go under the hook. The strap does with the material. If you can't get the holes to line up, it's because the buckle is hindering you. Pull it over with the material, slide it in, and then it goes in very nicely. If it's not going in nicely, the buckle is hindering the mechanism from working correctly. Hope that helps. So I hope this helps. If you have Lone Rider bags, let me know in the comment section if it helped you or not. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, God bless. Talk to you real soon.